Hey guys, here's a quick JB4 instructional video on how to update firmware using your JB4 Connect kit, the Bluetooth kit. I happen to be in our M5 here, but the same process will work for any JB4 equipped vehicle. Of course, the first order of business is ensuring that you have your ignition on, but engine off. You just push the button a couple times. Do you see the lights here? Once we're in the app side, we'll go ahead and connect. We'll go ahead and click on Settings. Then scroll down to Firmware. It'll give you a little prompt there, asking if you have any questions. Now this is a two-part process. The first part of this process is downloading the firmware to your phone, and the second part of the process is uploading the firmware. You can download the firmware to the phone a couple ways. Of course, if you're tech savvy, you can copy it to the phone off your computer. But if you're not, another easy way to do it is just to grab it off the N54 Tech support website. So by default, it'll bring up the N54 Tech website. You'll want to scroll to the form that has the JB4 firmware for your particular model. So I'm going to go ahead and pick M there. This is a 2018. The firmware threads are always at the top of the first post, and they always say sticky on them or JB4 information for this model. And we'll just scroll along until we see where the firmware is. Here we go. The way the firmware works, the higher the number, the newer it is. Ah, there we go. So I'll go ahead and click on that. It's the newest one. And that downloaded it to my phone. So now the second part of the process is to pick the firmware off the phone to upload. It jumps in there automatically, but after you download it, but you can also press this green arrow up here to pull up your list of firmwares. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the F90 firmware. Would you like to flash it? Yes, I would. Update. I'll give you some prompts. Yes. I'm just going to go walk through this uploading process. I'll go ahead and pause the video here, then restart it when it gets closer to the end. We're at the home stretch now, so I'll turn the camera back on. It's just been walking through its uploading blocks. And when it completes the upload, one of two things will happen. The JB4 will either reboot, and it'll say the process was successful, or the JB4 will do a checksum check on the firmware that was uploaded, find an error, and prompt you that there's something wrong with the firmware, and you have to upload it again. If you do wind up without firmware loaded, be aware that you can't operate the engine until you've corrected the firmware issue. The engine won't run right when the JB4 has no firmware loaded on it. But we're good here. We're on update complete. So the last thing we can do here, just to make sure everything's good, is go ahead and start the car up. And jump back over to JB4 Mobile here. Everything looks in order here. And that concludes the video.